Okay, what's going on today, everyone? Michael here. Welcome back to another video. So, today is National Air Conditioner Appreciation Day. So, for that, I'm going to be doing a startup and shutdown of my 2007 Frigidaire 5200 BTU here installed in my bedroom. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the Harbor Breeze. And we're going to do a startup and shutdown of my Frigidaire. But before we do that, I'll show you the data plate on it, or the data sheet, since it's paper. Model number is FAA055P7A, 115 volts, 60 hertz, single phase. EER of 11.0, that's just bullshit. 5200 BTUs, or 5200, 4.9 amps, 475 watts, 10.93 ounces of the R22, manufactured in November 2007, made in China, and serial number is IK74530579. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start her up with the remotes. Here's the remotes. It's your typical Frigidaire air conditioner remote. Nothing special, besides the fact that the front of the unit on the remote have the older Frigidaire badge, scripted one, which is one of my favorite badges, besides the older Friedrich badges. And it has the modern bold print on the back of the unit, which I'll have to do another video of the condenser of it. But yeah, she is. And these are my new headphones. Not that anyone cares, but my old ones are right there. They're being held on by tape. But yeah, here's my 07 Frigidaire running on high cool. Go ahead and bring it down. There's medium cool. And she is getting cold. And there is low cool. And I had it set on 60 last night because it was absolutely blazing in here last night. I usually have it set at 61. There she goes. Shit. Bring it back up to high cool. And then here's auto fan. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. But you can hear that like click when the fan motor changes speeds. It's weird. It's weirdly cool, but yeah. Here's show you the filter, the evaporator coil. Here's the evaporator coil. Yeah, she's a little dirty, but I'm gonna have it cleaned hopefully in the next upcoming months. I don't know if this thing needs a desperate cleaning though. But yeah, she's running good. She's blowing ice cubes. I was about to say she's cold, but she's blowing ice cubes, so that's even better. And we'll go ahead and shut her down. I'll give you that compressor shutdown. Compressor's on, this is the top of the unit, by the way. There's a compressor. Compressor's on this side of the unit right there. Yeah. It's got a highly rotary compressor. It's by Hitachi. At least that's what I've been told. Well, it said highly on the compressor, but I've been told it was made by Hitachi. I'm not too sure on that though. Here we go. Shut her down in 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. A rare startup and shutdown of my 2007 Frigidaire 5200 BTU for Air Conditioner Appreciation Day. So enjoy your air conditioners, guys.